Welcome to our channel. Today, we discuss something powerful: what happens in your brain when you forgive a friend. That moment when you let go of anger, hurt, or resentment, it's more than emotional relief. Your brain actually changes. Imagine this: a friend betrays your trust. Your chest tightens, your mind races, and the hurt feels heavy. That pain activates your anterior cingulate cortex, the same area that senses physical pain. Betrayal isn't just emotional, it literally hurts. Now, imagine choosing forgiveness. At first, it's hard. But as you let go, something remarkable happens. Your brain's prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for reasoning and self-control, steps in. It helps you override the amygdala, your brain's alarm system, which is firing from anger or fear. In other words, you gain control over your emotional reactions. Forgiveness also triggers the release of oxytocin, the bonding hormone. It helps you feel connection, empathy, and trust again. Your brain is saying, letting go isn't weakness, it's a way to heal and restore relationships. Here's the best part: forgiving someone doesn't just help them, it helps you. Your stress hormones, like cortisol, drop. Your heart rate slows. Your brain rewards you with a sense of peace and even happiness. Forgiveness literally feels good because your brain rewires itself to focus on healing, not hurt. Think about it like emotional exercise. Every time you choose forgiveness, your brain strengthens pathways for empathy, understanding, and resilience. Over time, it becomes easier to let go of anger and protect your own well-being. So next time someone hurts you, remember, forgiveness is a gift to yourself. It's your brain learning to prioritize peace over pain, connection over resentment. Your mind and body thrive when you choose to heal. If this video helped you understand the science behind forgiveness, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Have you ever forgiven a friend and felt lighter afterward? Share your story, we'd love to hear it. Remember, your brain is wired for healing, and forgiveness is the key.